How to fix Facebook navigation bar down problem? Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Facebook app, tap and hold, and tap on I button, tap on storage, clear data, clear cache, and OK to confirm. Go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Then go to Play Store, search here Facebook app, update your Facebook app. Now waiting for completing update process. After completing update process, go to home page and open your Facebook app and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.